Hello guys, welcome back. And as per our thinking, I have taken one trade, and like we have discussed something like if this goes down and then we can enter. So I tried entering at this level, so stop loss got hit. Again, I tried entering at the same level, my stop loss got hit, right? Then I realized like it can give a breakout, like Bank Nifty was going upside, right? So if you see, just look at this, low, low, and there was no low, right? So I can thought, so Nifty can go up and Bank Nifty can go up, right? So then I took a sell, like buy side entry over here, somewhere around here, and then I realized that it is making a small candles and there is no potential, so I exited from that trade and I waited for our setup, right? So I got to know that if you able to view this 5 minute candlestick pattern, just see after this bullish candle there is a hammer, right? So here, like here we are trying our first entry, right? If I tell you over there, I guess we have a entry chance over here. I guess it is okay. Here if you see, just look at downfall, retracement and hammer candle. So here you can take a entry and here also you can take entry, right? Nothing to worry about that. Like we will wait for some for other confirmations also. But this is with the trend, and as it's 11:22, so you don't need to follow this because you have to follow only up to 11:15, right? So after 11, you this will not work. Might it consolidate or this will not give a big momentum like morning trades, right? So here I avoid after 11, but here the setup was good and I was trying at 11 o'clock, so I did tried this setup. If you see, again this is a 5 minute, if you see this is a 5 minute candlestick pattern. If you just see, there is a rejection from upside, right? So here the trend was confirmed, and in 5 minute I got to know there is a flag pattern also, right? So here I tried a flag pattern in 1 minute time frame. If you see, just look at this high and this high is getting reduced, right? So I entered at this candle with a stop loss of this. If you see, I entered in a flag pattern at a very small stop loss, right? If you see, and my target was like this, right? So like previously we booked stop loss over here, so my target was like this, and then like the same thing, I waited here and it gave a big candle, so I exited because like here itself it has given me 1:2, I guess. If you see over here, so I entered at 140 142 level. My target was like around 160, right? So target is like 15 points, but it went 15 points in this another candle, so I am getting 1:2, like 1 ratio extra, right? So that's why I exited from this trade, right? In the 1 minute itself, because just see, like I waited 5 6 minutes for 1:2, and then it has given me 1:4 in 1 minute. So better I have to wait. Sorry, I have to book profit instead of waiting for this level, right? So it can come up to this level, but if in this retracement, I have to wait, or there will be like some emotional things, right? So here I am getting 1:2. If you see, just look at this. I entered at exited at this level, 1:5, right? So here I booked 1:5, and the trade is still on over here, right? So retracement trade, right? Okay, we will wait here again. Like I will explain another thing. Like if you see in 5 minute candlestick, it was taking rejection, right? So here what we discuss in the 5 minute, it can came down, right? Here it can came down and make a wick, and then it will go up, right? So here the thing is happened, but here if you see in 5 minute time frame, just look at this, there is a hammer candle. So the probability is the second one, right? Opposite. It can make a wick at top and then came down. So here when it went up, I shorted after one, like confirmation. What confirmation? Simply red candle and my stop loss. Just see, I entered at 11:2. If you see in order book, I entered at 11:2, like 11:3 itself, right? Just see 52, right? So my entry price, right, if you see, I entered right after candle close, or at the end of candle in last 5 10 seconds, right? So here I entered in 5 10 seconds, right? In the last 10 seconds. If you see over here, just look at this, I entered at this candle, right? And my stop loss was this, which if you calculate this stop loss is like, if you see I entered at this price, it must be like less than 20 rupees, and it just ends, right? So that's what I do. Again it came up, and I was like, sure, it is making lower heights, so I can definitely take entry and place my stop loss above the previous high, right? And if this high gets broken, Nifty will also make higher highs, as like Bank Nifty. If you see, Bank Nifty was already making higher high, that's why I tried. Just look at high, right? So that's why I tried buying in the previous trade. If you see, this is a previous trade, right? If you see, at 11 2 candle I tried, because bank nifty was making higher highs, so there is a high probability that nifty can take support from this level, right, which is like previous, like today's low, and then move up to the today's high, or we can say it can move again above from that level also, right. So here it did not do these things, like high like same high, it's a double top and it is consolidating. So as soon as I realized these things, I shorted with a very small stop loss, and then I rewarded, like I get reward of this, right. So here if I lose, I will lose around like 2 3k, 2k 3k maximum, right. If you see in options, if you see here, I entered around at this candle, right. If you see at this candle at 140 142, and stop loss will be like 10 rupees, so I might lose 4000 also in this trade, because if this gives a big candle, then I might lose 12 rupees, so it is like around 3500 3600 or 4000 itself, right. And then I waited, the stop loss was not got triggered, and if you see there is like a slow momentum which is happening, and but still it is giving me a good profit. If you see over here, my entry was at 142, and if you see I got almost around 15 points, like 1 is to 1.5, but as soon as this candle happened, it has given me more than 30 points, right. So I booked profit in the 1 minute candle. It's here the stop loss got triggered, right. And here the one thing is which we have to notice is the candle, right. If you see, this is a good candle, right. If you see, like previously in the last, like yesterday's video, we have noticed that there is a strong green candle which is not expected, but here the candle is expected, and it's fine. It is, if it is hitting your stop loss, I think nothing to worry about that, right. And here you have to I told you, like wait for another confirmation. The another confirmation is the retest level, right. So we not go for this hammer candle or engulfing candle, right. We go for this candle at retest level, right. So here the major retest level is this. Everyone will try to sell at this level, but here the smart money, or everyone will, like smart peoples will enter only after confirmation, and that confirmation is like this, right. If you see, it will be like this, or it will be like this, to place a safe SL, right. If you see at this level, your stop loss is like this, right. So at this level, your logical stop loss is, which is your logical stop loss, right. For a big trader, just see this level, which is at higher level. So you can't place this much stop loss and you can take a big target. Here what you can do, you can enter at this level, you can place stop loss of this, and then you can enjoy first target, second target, right, as like this, right. So here this is what I wanted to tell you guys. I will short at this candle, but only in the morning, right, not in like after 11 o'clock, right. So here I wanted to only confirm this point, right. So take a note of this. And here if you see the trend line resistance, and it is going upside, right. Here if you see, there is engulfing candle also at retest level also, but there is no stop loss, right. For a scalper, we need a 2 to 3 reason to place a stop loss. Like if I tell you, like if I entered in this candle, my stop loss like first, second, it has two resistance, two times there is a trend line also is, which is making here, not like this, but it is making this trend line, I guess, from this level, I guess, at this level, right. So here if you see, this is a breakout, retest went up, but false breakout, right. So here breakdown, retest, again came down, again came here, but there is a retest level small, a bit higher. So here it made a top like double top, then consolidated, and then I shorted, like in 5 minute time frame. I thought it might place a wick, like here also if you see, the neckline was got broken, but the candle did not close, but still I entered. And here also the neckline was got broken, and I entered, and I book a stop loss. If I tell you here, that PE entry, just look at this, what is the timing for this. I entered in this candle, right, 11 10:48. If you see 10:48, just look at 10:49. I entered in 10:49. I took SL like 154 154 154, like 155 and 155 145, right. So here I took SL of 10 points. Again here I took SL of 7 8 points. If you see 10:23, right. If you see 10:23, where is that 10:23? Okay, here, like that was like I have added in the video also, right. Here I entered, I was getting 1 is to 1, and this was my first target which I have to book, like it is coming for first time itself, right. So first time there is a high probability that it can take support, but second time there is a low probability, and third time there is no probability that it can take support. It can come directly down also, right. If you see, just look at this, right. So here if you see in the chart over here, like just look at this, right. So here there is no reason to take trade, like and remember I told you, this is a sign, a good sign. It has taken resistance. If you see weak So this is a good pattern, a good setup, because of it did not close a 5 minute green candle, right? As we discussed in I guess yesterday video, right? Okay, here just look at this green red candle, and this green candle is not expected, so we are going to book our loss after like this high gets broken, but this high did not broken and we book target in this trade. So here the same thing happened, but here the confirmation is so simple. Just look at this, there is no green candle here, also green candle, but like 60% 70% there is a week, so we can definitely trade or trade on lower side in this levels, right? So here we need a support from bank nifty also. If we see bank nifty is making both flag pattern. The reason why I'm saying both flag pattern, if I tell you in here, like if I tell you here, if you see over here, just look at this. So this is a one flag pattern. I will mark. Just look at this is a flag pattern, right? And again this is a flag pattern. So here a triangle pattern or pennant pattern, something like this, right? So here there are two possibilities, and just look at this. Nifty is going down, bank nifty is still consolidating. So like nifty will consolidate after this, or it can go up to like it will trade within a range, but bank nifty can give you a big points or something like good profit in this setup, because this just look at this. Today is the expiry, there will be like one side momentum till day high or 35,500 level, or it can go up to like 35,000 round level. So 35,500 or 35,000 is the round level, or you can expect till this level also, because this is a good support zone for bank nifty. Just look at this zone, right? So it can give consolidation in 35,800 to 35,000 levels within this 200 points, but it has to break down, right? If it is break down and it will come down, it will consolidate in this range. But if it is give us a breakout, and it can directly go up to like 35,400 and like 350 and 500, right? Itself you are get like you can book profit of around like, just look at this 300 points itself, right? So you can definitely hedge two lots of Bank Nifty CEP, which you can get a good profit. But if it consolidates for today, then might you will book a loss in this trade. Like if it is consolidated within this range, you will be like getting in a loss, right? Here if I tell you the strategy, which is like okay, nothing to worry about that. Just look at this. So here like if we trade on morning strategy, we might book loss because of we have to trade after 12:30 or 11 o'clock, right? Here there is no time, it can consolidate here itself, right? Okay guys, that's it for the day. We have booked a good trades today, and we like I made a mistake today also, like it was not my mistake, it was just a network error. I guess I have to stop, or I have to find a better network connectivity. Okay, like I will mark the entries over here, which are possible entries that we thought. Like here we are planning to take buy entry over here, which is target got hit, that's why we avoided our trade, right? If you see, this is like okay. And after this we have marked one thing also, right? Resistance level. If you see 108, it is like the, just look at it, took the same resistance, right? I shorted here, my stop loss was like just like this, and my target was like this, right? But here it came up and made a like 5 minute uh, hammer candle or a green candle, and trend was positive. I was trading against the trend, so I exited at cost price, or you can say with a small profit, small loss here, right? But after confirmation, I again re-entered in the same trade, and I waited for my target, because just see like this high and there is this high, right? So here the trend has been changed, the low is broken and it is not making new high, so definitely it can go and test this level, and we have booked profit exactly at this level, right? Again we have shorted a trade at this level, I guess, and now we are getting 1:1 profit. But here also we have booked our trailing stop loss at cost, I guess. Not cost, I guess I exited at negative, because I entered a bit late, so I exited. And again I waited, I traded again like against the trade, like not against the trade, but here the low was got broken, so here I again shorted, and I booked a stop loss of around like this level, I guess. So 10 rupees here itself. Again like nifty was making higher highs, so again I tried entering at this level, I guess, in CE options. But as soon as I realized I'm against the trade, I booked a small loss over there. And again after confirmation, I entered in this trade with a very small stop loss, and I booked a decent gain over here, right? If you see, just look at this. So if you see on chart, right, if you see on chart, just look at my risks. I am focusing only on my risks rather than my target. I will take any target, like here if I took 1:1, I might close my trade in profit, but here I did not. But look at my stop loss, right? My stop loss is just like very less, right? Here we are trying to see bank nifty is trying to give breakout, and here like nifty, bank nifty has given breakout. So that's why this is a possible move, right? This is a possible, and this is like predetermined, right? Pre-estimated tricks, because predetermined move, because bank nifty is at same level, nifty is going down, so there is like something good which has to be happen, right? So if bank nifty gives breakdown, nifty can test this low, right, within a 5-10 minutes. But if bank nifty goes up, nifty will also try to go up, but here there will be like no big momentum. It will be just like if bank nifty moves 2 3 candles very big, nifty will move, and then again nifty will consolidate and came down, bank nifty will consolidate at same level. So here there will be like no confirmation, right? So we will wait here for a trade to change. Like here we can see a wedge pattern also, I guess. If I draw this, a falling wedge pattern over here, right, if you see, and there is a possibility the it can go upside and test day high also, but here the trend is negative. Like previously trend was upside, as it has opened a gap up and crossed the day high, and we know what was our target, and exactly it got hitted and it reversed again. If you see, this is a breakout, right, but this breakout is only valid if this high gets broken, or here the strong closing above this zone, right? So these are the important things that you have to notice. You don't need to enter as soon as this breakout got happened, right? So you can definitely wait for here. If I delete all my entries of today's, just in order to tell you guys, just look at this, what we have discussed. It is coming down, right? So there is no momentum in nifty. Nifty is totally on downside, but bank nifty is showing some bullishness, like it is not going upside, right? I will delete these zones. Okay, just look at it, made a engulfing, not a proper engulfing, but here it has made a good candle at our level. So we can definitely short at this level and put stop loss of this, and you can book profit up to like this level, like 1:1, 1:2 at this level, right? So we will not do enter it here, because just look at it, is very much down, and this is a very green, big green candle. So I am not sure, like it is a retest level, retestment or retest level candle, right? Here definitely it is a retest level, but the candlestick is not a type of retracement or retest, because just small small candles, here big candles, it is not expected, right? Okay, we will go on this checking this part, which is like, if you see this, right? So how I am going to explain the trade, right? So here what you can do, you can do one thing. Just look at, don't enter on breakout, wait for here to came. If it is came resistance, like it will take resistance first time, and then as soon as this high gets broken, you can definitely enter at this level. Or if it is gave a retest, then you can enter at this level. Stop loss will be like this or this, like the safest special which you took according to your position sizing, right? And you can definitely take first target and second target, like this we have marked this levels also. But here don't enter on this level, because there is a resistance, it will take resistance and it will came sharply down, right? Okay, we'll delete this and again switch to the 1 minute time frame. Just see this, how it is performing, right? So here we have tried at this level, which is a retest level. This is the retest level, but this is a aggressive retest level. This is the safest level, that what we have discussed in the starting of the video, right? I will upload the third part in the YouTube also, like I am going to upload right now. Okay, that's it for the day. Closing for the day, like we have booked a decent profit, like within 2 3 trades also. But here I took multiple trades with a small stop losses, just to capture the big things, right? If you see, just look at first second, like 2 SL, like 2 SL, and here two targets, I guess. I'm not sure, there will be like three targets also. Okay, this is the first SL, right? So if you see, this is the SL, again this is the SL, like 2 SL. This is the third SL which I took in a favor, and this is the fourth SL, like only SL trade, I guess, in the morning itself, right? And then I got one trade which I took at 10.6, I guess 10.6 is it, like here, right? So here I took and I booked a good profit over here, right? Here I booked a good profit. 948 I tried, I guess. 948, okay, yeah, this was my mistake. 948 is the engulfing candle, I have to enter in CE options, I guess. if I tell you, I exited within one, not 1 minute, like 50 40 50 seconds itself, right? 9:48, if I tell you on chart 9:48, if you see 40 and 40 right here, right? So I entered in C in engulfing candle, but thing what happened, I entered in P, as there are only P strike prices added, and then I noticed the thing, so I square it up here. Again at 9:51, 9:52, I tried entering 9:51 and 9:52, and here I realized that it if you see at 9:51, that what we have discussed, it can take support at this level. So here I tried, but it went up, so I closed within 1 minute, I guess 1 2 minutes itself. If you see on the same, I guess in 1 minute itself, right? Then I tried C as we have discussed. Okay, then again at 9:59 I entered in this candle here. It came down. I was in a profit of 1:1, I guess. But here came up and made a 5 minute candle, like green candle. So I exited, and as soon as I get confirmation, I again re-entered and booked profit. Right here from we have booked only one trade and two trades. So here this is the profit of only two trades. If you see, we booked only two trade profit here, right? A good profit today, and like the trade which are sure, I take, I utilize my full what we can say, full fund, and the trade which are not confident, I entered with like 50% here. Like if you see at 9:59 I entered here, right here I entered 9:59. Just look at this. So this is a confirmation trade, right? So here I entered with 500 quantity, because I was like sure short, like it can go down, it has and I was going against the trade, so that's why I booked early also, right? Again at 10:06, like it got confirmed, so I again entered with my full capital, and I booked a decent profit here also. And if you see again, when I tried at another levels, like at not good level, right here at 10:49, if you see here, here at this level, right? Where was that? Here at this level, I was not sure, because we are waiting for 0.5 level or 0.618 level. So here I tried only 200 quantity, because this is not a sure short trade, right? Here when this happened, I was like sure, and my stop loss was less than this. Like here my stop loss was big, but here my stop loss was very small, so I entered with 400 quantity. And that's the big thing, that you have to focus on risks. Take quantity according to the chart pattern. Here the chart pattern was looking good, so I entered with 400 quantity. Here the C also, if you see, I did not took a good quantity in the C also, like 250 quantity, so just half quantity, and strike price is 123, this is 145 rupees, right? So if you see, the strike price is also less, and the quantity size is also less. So you have, and just look at this, I exited as soon as I got to know that my trade is wrong, right? So this is what you have to do. Again, if you see, like 142, 175, like again I guess 33 points we have booked a good profit in this trade also. Like here at 175, just look at, I exited at top, right? So there is no top or anything, I just exited as soon as it has given me 15 points. If you see, this candle has around not a 15 points, 19 points more, right? That's it. I will close and upload video for you guys. Thank you.